Hello everyone, you're welcome back again. We're going to solve for the value of x from this Olympiad math problem. And the question is given as 4 to the power of x is equal to 20. To solve for the value of x from this equation, as you can see, the left hand side the base is 4 and the right hand side we have 20. There's no way we can make these two bases to be the same. So therefore, we're going to take the log of both sides. And when we are taking the logarithm of both sides, since we cannot make the base to be the same, we can take the log of a both side to base 10, or we take the logarithmic of a both side to this base of 4, which is the base in the left hand side. But in this video, we're going to take the log of both sides to base 10. So therefore, we take the log of the left hand side, we're going to have log of 4 to the power of x to the base of 10, which is the same as log of 20. Now, the next thing we're going to do is to recall power property of logarithm. As you can see, this 4 is raised to power x. And using power property of logarithm, this x here is going to go back here to multiply the log. So we're going to have x log 4, which is the same as log of 20. Now, the next thing we're going to do, remember, we are looking for the value of x, is to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is log 4. So we divide the left hand side by log 4, and also we divide the right hand side by log 4. So that this log 4 is going to cancel this log 4. So we are left with only x in the left hand side, which is the same as log 20. And if you look at the denominator, we have log 4. So therefore, we can write this log 20. We can rewrite this 20 as 4 multiplied by 5, which is still going to give us 20. So everything all over log of 4. So from here, I want us to recall that when we have log of 4 multiplied by 5. One of the properties of logarithm say that when we have log of a multiplied by b, this is the same as log of a plus log of b. So this is the property we are going to apply to the numerator in the right hand side, so that we can write this log 4 multiplied by 5 as log 4 plus log 5. So we're going to have x now will be equal to, in place of this, we're going to write it in this form, which is the same as log 4, then plus log of 5, then everything all over log of 4. Now the next step we're going to do is to share this fraction. Log 4 plus log 5 over 4 can also be written as log of 4 over log of 4, then plus log of 5 all over log of 4. So since they are sharing the same denominator, so we can rewrite this as this. So we're going to have x now will be equal to, remember, when the same thing divide itself is the same as 1. So log 4 divide log 4 is going to give us 1, then plus log of 5 over log of 4. So the next thing we're going to do is to rewrite this 4 as 2 raised to the power of 2. We're going to transform this 4 as 2 to the power of 2. But this 5, we cannot transform it, so we leave 5 as it is. So this is going to be what? X now will be equal to 1 plus log of 5, then all over log of this 4 can also be rewritten as to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 2 is in place of 4. So this is going to give us x now will be equal to 1 plus log of 5 over, applying power property of logarithm, this 2 is going to go back to multiply the log. We are going to have 2 log 2. Now the next step is to factor out these two. So we're going to have x now will be equal to 1 plus, when we want to factor out these two, it's going to be 1 over 2, then multiply by log of 5 over log of 2. Now the next step is to apply change of base property. So recall that when we have log of a over log of b, this is the same as log of a to the base of b. So this is in the form of this. So we're going to transform this expression into this form. A represents 5 and b represents 2. So this is going to give us x now be equal to 1 plus 1 all over 2, then multiply by log 5 over log 2. Transform to this form is going to be the same as log of, in place of a is 5, log of 5 to the base of b, and in place of b is going to be 2. So therefore x now is equal to 1 plus 1 all over 2 log 5 to the base of 2 is the value of x that satisfies this Olympiad math problem. And here is the question. When you substitute the value of x as 1 plus 1 over 2 log 5 to base 2, in place of this x, you are going to get 20. So this is how to solve this problem. Thank you for watching, and please follow us for more videos like this. Thanks.